Hi friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss linear algebra. My discuss is based on nilpotent matrix, properties of nilpotent matrix. A n cross n, if a to the power k equals to 0, that implies a n is polynomial and mx means minimal polynomial is equal to x comma x square comma x to the power k, and minimal polynomial a is equal to a equals to 0, and if a does not equals to 0, then a square comma a cube comma a to the power k minus 1 does not equals to 0. So ma is equal to must be a to the power k. Friends, nilpotent matrix is very important for CSIR NET examinations, friends. That's why CSIR NET and GATE examination, that's why I discuss, as this competitive exams is coming very soon, so my small effort can help a lot of students and a lot of learner. I am also learner, that's why I discuss nilpotent matrix. And this question, according to competitive examinations, nilpotent matrix, a lot of questions based on nilpotent matrix. That's why I discussed. And if a does not equals to 0, then a is not diagonalizable. So friends, I also discuss what is diagonalizable. I discuss my theoretical class, linear algebra. Today's class is theoretical plus mathematics. So I must theory to read theory and maths both. Okay, theoretical class, you know that idempotent matrix is diagonalizable, friends. But nilpotent matrix is not diagonalizable. Okay, this is the concept. And next, all eigenvalue of a nilpotent matrix, all eigenvalue of a nilpotent matrix is 0. Matrix are zeros. So friends, must remember nilpotent matrix or all eigenvalues are 0, because one of the questions I have solved, TIFR, you know that where one matrix is given such that all the 0 I 0 and 0 0 0 0, this kind of matrix we solved. Okay, and we find out the GM values, and after that we will see that this value this is one kind of nilpotent matrix, friends. Okay, and eigenvalues always nilpotent matrix are 0, but JCF is not equal. Okay, when JCF are equal, then two matrices are similar matrix. When similar matrix is possible only for JCF is equal. At JCF, when JCF is equal, then JCF is equal if the Jordan blocks are equal. Order of the Jordan blocks are equal. Okay. Now I will go. This is a very important concept. Must remember and note it. Must note this. Okay, then a is not diagonalizable. When a is not diagonalizable, when a does not equals to 0. So friends, must remember nilpotent matrix is diagonalizable when a equals to 0. When a equals to 0, then nilpotent matrix nilpotent matrix matrix, then nilpotent matrix is 0. Then diagonalizable. 0 is one nilpotent matrix which is diagonalizable. Okay, otherwise any which is does not equals to 0, that's are not diagonalizable, friends. Must remember. So never forget this concept. And after that I will discuss that all again values. And another property is trace of A. Okay friends, trace of A is equal to 0. Trace of A equals 0. Example, this matrix is nilpotent matrix, its trace are 0, and date A equals to 0. Another matrix is example of the 2 cross 2 matrix when A is equal to another example is nilpotent matrix 0 1 0 0. This is also nilpotent matrix, remember friends, and whose rank is 1, and A square is equal to what? A square is equal to 0 0 1 0, and if we multiply this 0 1 0 0, then we will get it is 0. Okay friends, and another fact that nilpotent matrix A to the power k is equal to 0, then A to the power k minus 1 does not equals to 0, and I plus A inverse is equal to I minus A plus A square minus A cube plus minus 1 to the power n A to the power k. Okay, and I minus A whole to the power minus 1. Listen, A to the power k is equal to 0, so A to the power k minus 1 does not equals to 0. So you can extend it this way, k to the power minus 1. Okay, and this free factor you can write I plus A square plus A cube plus up to A to the power k minus 1. When it is I to the power k, then it is 0 friends. A to the power k plus 1, this is also 0. So you can write this way. Another property, this property is very, very important friends. This property is date I plus minus A is equal to 1, and if date I plus TA is equal to 1, then that implies A is nilpotent. This property is very, very important. VVI, a lot of questions is coming from this. Okay, A is nilpotent. This is the one of the example, the nilpotent matrix. When nilpotent matrix, if date of I plus TA is equal to 1 and A is nilpotent matrix and T belongs to R. R is any number, T, any real number. T is any real number. Okay, so I hope friends you will write everything, and you will write everything, and I clear this concept, nilpotent matrix. Thank you. We are going to a problem friends. Let M be a 3 cross 3 matrix, and suppose that 1, 2 and 3 are the eigenvalues of M. If M inverse is equal to M square by alpha minus M plus 11 by alpha I2. For some scalar alpha does not equals to 0, then alpha is equal to this. Friends, this problem is very, very simple. Eigenvalue is given. So our eigenvalue, what is my eigenvalue? Eigenvalue lambda is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and after that my equations is M inverse, whatever I get, M inverse M square by alpha minus M plus 11 alpha I2. okay, and I will multiply m in both sides. So this become I, and this is become m cube by alpha, and this is become m square plus 11 alpha into m. And after that I will multiply this with m cube minus alpha m square plus 11 m is equal to alpha I. Okay, and minus alpha I. This is the equation. This equation is called characteristic equations, friends. And when we get characteristic equations, must remember that this value is the date value, date of m. So date of m is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. So this value is 6. So my value is 6. I hope it is clear for everyone. Yeah, I think. Okay, please pause it and write down this problem. Now we are going to another problem. See that let m2r. M2r means here order of the matrix is 2. Okay, m2r be the vector space of all 2 cross 2 real matrices over the field R. Define the linear transformations S such that m2r tends to m2r by Sx is equal to 2x plus xt, where xt denotes the transpose of the matrix X. Then the trace of S equals. So friends, here at transformations you see that Sx is equal to, I can write 2x plus xt. Xt means transposition. So I write this is the information, this is the data. I have to write 2x plus xt. I have to write, yes, I write. And my questions is that it is m2r2 S such that m2r to m2r. So friends, must remember when the basis is matrix basis are different, friends. Matrix basis is this is the basis of the m2r. I write this 1 0 0 0 0 e12 is equal to 0 1 0 0 and e21 is equal to 0 1 0 0 and e22 is equal to 0 0 0 1. Okay friends, and this is the 4 basis. Okay friend, and now now we know that how we can write T alpha means TE11. Here basis is TE11, because must remember friends, we what are doing T alpha 1. When you see that linear transformation problem I have solved before my channel, you will see that one of the channel I solved a linear transformation problem. This problem is same kind of linear transformation, but this linear transformation is different, friends. This linear transformation is based on matrix. Okay, so it is matrix. So SE11. So not it is T, because transformation is S. So I have to write S. SE11, friends. Whatever SE11 means 2 0 0 0 plus 1 0 0 0. Okay friends, this is the xt E11. Transpositions of the E11 same, means 1 will come, and we get 3 0 0. Okay friends, no problem. I think that you have understood that when I putting this matrix, I get this matrix, and after that I will go another section. SE12 SE12 means friends 1 2. E12 means in here 0 1 0. I write that 0 0 0 0 1 0. This is the E12. So friends, when we will go that 0 2 0 0 E12, and after the transpositions of the E12 we get that 0 1 0 0, and we will get this way 0 2 1 0. Okay, and after that next SE21. SE21 friends, E21 means 0 0 1 0. E21 means 0 0 1 0. So E21, so I multiply it by 2, then 0 2 0, because in my problem that S is equal to S x is equal to 2x plus xt, and xt is equal to simple that I get 0 0 1 0. Very simple problem friends, very easy, but must remember calculation, and this is the main problem of calculation. I am also suffering that my mistake is also calculations. That's why I remark this, that calculation is very important. And E22 is very simple, 0 0 0 2 plus 0 0 0 1, and we get the value is 0 0 3. This is the value of the SE22, and now I can write this way SE11. SE11 can be written as 3E11 plus 0E12 plus 0E21 plus 0E22, and SE12 can be written 0E11 plus 2E12 plus, because 2E12, why can I write, because E12 I get 0 2 this way, so I multiply 2E12, and after that I multiply 1 E21. Okay, 1 2 and 1 2 E21 plus 0 E22, and SE21 I can write this way, that 0 0E11, yes, and I can write E12 I can write, and 2E21 plus 0E22, and SE22 how can I write? SE22 I can write E11 0 E11 and 0 E12 plus 0 E21 plus 3 E22. This is that I can get. Okay friends, very simple, very simple. I get these equations. Okay, these equations is very important. Noted it please, and I will go next chapter. So my matrix should be, see my line, I get this line. Okay, I get this line. First number is 3, after that all are 0 0, and this is this will be row and this will be column. Okay, this will be column. So first I get 3 0 0 0, so my matrix will be 3 3 0 0, and next I get 0 2 1 0 0 this way. So I can write this way 0 2 0 2 1 0, and after that I get another way 0 1 2 0, and whatever I get last 0 0 0 3. So friends, what is my trace? Added this 3 2 3 2, so my trace of S is equal to 10. Trace of S is equal to 10. So my answer is here 10. Thank you. Friends, I solve another questions. This question is coming from the GATE examinations, friends, but this question is very important. So at first I read these questions. Consider the matrix A is equal to I9 minus 2 ut comma u, with u is equal to 1 3 1 1 1 1 1 1 cross 9 matrix, where I9 cross 9 in the 9 cross 9 identity matrix, and u transpositions of the T is the transpose of U, and if lambda and mu are the two distinct eigenvector of A, then lambda minus u is equal to what? Friends, this question is very simple questions, friends. If we can understand whatever we have to understand, friends, we have to understand geometric multiplicity. Everything I have discussed my theory class. Geometric multiplicity means number of linearly independent eigenvector, and geometric multiplicity helps us to find the number of the geometric multiplicity is the number of the Jordan block of the eigenvalues. So friends, I write this ut into u. What is the value ut into u? I multiply one third. Here is 9 tuple 9 1, so I write 9 1 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 9, and another I get 1 by 3 this way 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 3 3 3. This 3 tuple I can get. This is the 1 cross 9 matrix, friends. 1 cross 9, and because column is 9, and this is 9 cross 1, and so total I get 1 by 9. I get 9 cross 9 order matrix. Nine cross 9 order matrix. Sorry, this is the multiplications way is totally wrong. It should be in here 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 rolled up to 1 cross 9. Yeah, 1 cross 9. Then this should be cut, and I get 9 cross 9 values, because ut position of the ut is in here and u position is in here, so this is the possible. And my eigenvector eigenvalues is 9, adding this total 9 and divided this 9 by 9, divided 9 by 9, so I get eigenvector is 1. My eigenvector is 1. My eigenvector is 1. Now friends, whatever I get eigenvector is 1. Which matrix? UT, U. According to the questions, whatever I have to get, I get A is equal to I minus 2 into UT U. So friends, rank of UT U is equal to whatever I get 1. Easily we see that rank of the UT U is 1, and eigenvalue is 1, and another eigenvalue is 0. Geometric multiplicity of 0 UT, U. Okay, geometric multiplicity of the UT, U is equal to 9. 9 is total number of total dimension 9, and after that row into UT U, and whatever I get 9 minus row into UT U, means this rank of the UT U is 1. So 8 is the geometric multiplicity of the 0. So if we make a Jordan block, our zeros, number of the Jordan block of the 0 is 8. Now the number of the Jordan block should be 8, and this is the total number of the Jordan block. Number of Jordan block, C block. And whatever I get UT, U is equal to, now I am coming A. A is I9 minus 2 UT U, and AX is equal to I9 X, and 2 into UT X means 2 2px. And friends must remember that 2px means it is the eigen 2px means when the lambda values when the lambda is px, eigenvector is x is eigenvector, x is eigenvector, and 2px means px is equal to lambda x. Lambda is 1 means px is equal to x when lambda is equal to 1. So we get ax is equal to I9x minus 2x is equal to minus x. This is I get. Ax is equal to friends, we see that lambda is 1, so I take it is p. I take ut u is equal to p. P is very p by any number you can choose. I say that it is p. Take. Okay, so if px lambda x is equal to x, because lambda is equal to 1 in case of this, and my eigenvector is in case of lambda is equal to 1, my eigenvector is x. I say x1 by x. However, so that I get ax is equal to I9x minus 2x. So ax is equal to I get minus x. So eigenvector of A is equal to minus 1. One of the eigenvector of the A is minus 1. And next, eigenvector of the A is 1, and when lambda is equal to 0, in case lambda is equal to 0, then eigenvector is, I say eigenvector is y. Okay, so that friends, whatever we can get, ay is equal to I into y, and minus a and py is equal to 0. So p into y into 0. Friends, I told that I get eigenvectors distinct because my JCF, my Jordan number, Jordan canonical form, I get that 8 linearly independent eigenvector of 0. Independent eigenvector 0 means GM of the 0 is equal to 8 and 1. So that friends, y is 1 eigenvector. So according to me, so ay I get iuy means y. So according to the formula, y is eigenvector. This is the form of this, and I get 1. So my lambda is equal to 1. So eigenvector of A is equal to 1 and minus 1, and according to my questions, whatever is my questions, this, if you will see that mod of lambda minus u. Okay, this question is great questions, friends. And mod means, in here I put that two distinct eigenvectors are one is 1, and that is minus 1. So I put in here minus 1 and minus 1, and I get mod of 2 is equal to 2. So this is my answer. My answer is 2. Thank you for watching, friends, and I hope everybody can understand whatever I want to say. Must pause it and write everything. Goodbye.